Hi friends, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. I know I'm posting a video after so long. In between I had posted some shorts though. It's just that COVID cases were on rise and I was just not stepping out and couldn't make any video. But I've decided to make, even if I'm at home, I've decided to make some vlogs for you. I am preparing content and I will post such videos soon. Today it's another vlog. It's actually a lunch meet with some fellow bloggers, and I don't know how much will I be able to shoot there. If I'm able to, I will shoot there, and if not, I will show you some glimpses of the lunch meet and who are the bloggers that I met. And yes, by the way, I'm going to Be Veg Cafe, which is at Gopalpuram. So that's where I'm going for lunch today. So come, let's go. Yeah, so here we are. This is the place, and nice and bright. One just can't miss to see this place while on this road. So these are the fellow bloggers who are waiting for me and a couple of more people. Just giving you a glimpse of the place and the look of the store, the vegan store. The best part about the menu was you can choose the portion of your dish. You can choose whether half portion or full portion of your main course and pay accordingly. And it also specifies which can be a vegan variant. So here are some of the dishes that we tried.
Talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you.
So yes guys, I'm back home after my lunch at Be Veg Cafe. It was an amazing afternoon, so well spent with fellow bloggers, and we had a great chit chat time. In fact, we had a great time together, and I couldn't vlog at all because we were all so busy in our chit chats. Not just chit chat, we were discussing about our journey so far, how we got started, and how has the journey been, and what are our future plans, etc. So I just couldn't vlog because I didn't want to be the odd man out with camera and mics on. So which is why I thought let me click pictures and go back home and talk to you guys about what I ate and what did I feel about the place and my review in as a whole. So as you saw the pictures about the dishes that I had clicked for you all to see what are the dishes that I had. It may seem a lot, but actually it wasn't, because it was divided among all the bloggers. And just one or two bites of each dishes is what we all had, and believe me, we were overstuffed by the end of it. And so to start with, the place Be Veg Cafe is a place which not just motivates you to be vegetarian, it's not just about being vegetarian, also about being vegan. It is a place with very simple interiors yet very elegant, no fancy stuff around, and it has a beautiful vibe. The place had a very positive vibe which I totally loved. And when it comes to food, the food was delicious, guys, believe me. All the starters that we had, the paneer tikka, the Manchurians, the vada pav, they were all yummy. I liked the paneer tikka most because it had very simple marination, not made, over marinated with lots of spice and flavors. Very simple texture and very simple flavors and it had that smoky charged taste and flavor that I love the most, that you usually get in dhabas. So that was my favorite. And other than that, I like there were variety of garlic bread as I showed, and the vegan garlic bread, which was unlike the usual bread. it wasn't used, it wasn't made with the garlic loaf, it was made with buns, and that was with cashew cream, cashew cheese. I loved that the most. And the Manchurians were good as well, and all those who had the mushroom starter loved it too. They loved it as much as they loved the paneer tikka. I don't eat mushroom, so I didn't try that. And other than that, I loved the soup as well, the manchow soup. And the best thing about the soup was that the noodle that were used in the soup were gluten free, so we could have it guilt free. Otherwise it's the maida noodles that are served always, so that was gluten free. And you may find all the ingredients there at their store, so whenever you want to shop any of the gluten free or vegan items, you can drop in. So yeah, about that. And the food items, the main course that we had was I had the masala kulcha, which was amazing. Usually, you know, it happens when we order masala kulcha in any restaurant or anything, when we break a bite, when we take a morsel, the masalas just fall apart. The masala usually fall apart, the bread, the naan, and it's all over your plate. That didn't happen here, which was amazing. It was, you know, it was sticking to the chapati or the naan, and so it wasn't all over my plate is what I mean to say. And the malai kofta was very good. It also looked good. I'm sure it was looking tempting as well, because it had lots of nuts toppings, which was delicious. And the paneer butter masala was usual. I mean, I wouldn't say it was something very special that I have never had earlier, but yes, the malai tikka was the malai kofta was good. They also have vegan biryani, so if you're someone who wants to avoid paneer, you can have the vegan biryani as well. I mean, they have everything. They have every food with a vegan option. So if you are a vegan, you can definitely have the same dish with a vegan variety, and with just 20 or 25 bucks extra, which is amazing. So other than that, I like the pizza. Oh yes, we didn't have the vegan pizza, but they do have the vegan pizza. The pizza was delicious. It was thin crust and it was very yummy, very cheesy, and yeah. And if you're going here, guys, there's one thing that I would like to tell you all is have some patience, because you know, and you should be happy about it that your order will get, I mean, they will take time to deliver your order, and the only reason is because everything is freshly prepared. Their pizza bases are prepared on a daily basis. It's not that they have stacked up, you know, the stock for the week or the stock for 10 days. Every dish is freshly prepared, and which is why they take time to deliver it, which is something that you should be happy about. And so whenever you go, have some patience, because they may take time to deliver your dish. And other than that, there were different varieties of vada pav. There were Mumbai vada pav, there were cheese vada pav, which is again you may get the vegan option. Yeah, so that's it. Anything else if you want to know, you may comment and I will definitely get back to you with the answers. And this is definitely a must visit place, and it is pocket friendly when compared to the other vegan places in city. This has equally good food and very pocket friendly too. So you should visit, and do let me know your experience if you visit this place. I am definitely going back with my family, and I don't mind going back today for that hazelnut shake again. And so that's all, guys. Do let me know if you visit that place. Do share your experience with me, and please do like this video and share and subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates. Thank you.